Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. We will solve question number 3 part B, 8x minus x square, and we will express in the given form. Let's see how it works. First of all, we will rearrange it and it will become minus x square plus 8x, and then we will take minus as common and you are left with x square minus 8x, and now we'll apply the formula. Minus times x minus 8x will be x minus 4 whole square minus 4 whole square. On further simplification, you will get minus x minus 4 whole square plus 16, and on rearranging you can write it as this, and this is your required form. Now we'll do part D. 9 plus 5x minus x square. First of all, we will rearrange it and it will become minus x square plus 5x plus 9. From this section, take minus as common. You are left with x square minus 5x plus 9, and now you will apply the formula and you will get x minus 5 over 2 whole square minus 5 over 2 square bracket close plus 9. On simplification, you will get minus x minus 5 over 2 whole square plus 25 over 4 plus 9. You can write it as minus x minus 5 over 2 whole square plus 4 is the LCM, 25 plus 36. And it will be 61 over 4. On rearranging, you can get 61 over 4 minus x minus 5 over 2 whole square, and this is the required form. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.